At CES 2026, Shure has brought back one of their most popular mobile mics with a fresh new twist, the MV88, now upgraded with a USB-C connection. This makes it compatible not only with the latest iPhones, but also with a whole range of Android devices and laptops, and it's available right now for $159. The original MV88, launched back in 2015, was loved for its compact, snap-on design that boosted audio quality instantly. No complicated setup required. But as Apple moved away from the Lightning port, the mic lost some of its relevance. This new USB-C version brings the MV88 back into the spotlight, offering plug-and-play convenience for today's devices. Just snap it on, open Shure's app, and you're ready to record high-quality audio on the go. What really sets this microphone apart is the control it gives you through Shure's app. You get access to features like microphone gain, a 5-band equalizer, compression, and even a high-pass filter. Plus, the app includes a handy level meter to help you monitor your audio input in real time. The MV88 USB-C also offers 4 selectable polar patterns: stereo, monocardioid, mono-bidirectional, and raw mid-side, so you can tailor your recording to any environment. And the mic's adjustable tilt means you can position it exactly how you want, whether pointing straight up or directly at your sound source. I've been testing this mic for a few days, and I have to say it's a serious upgrade over any built-in microphone. Unlike lapel mics that need to be close to the speaker, the MV88 captures rich, clear sound with a natural sense of space, perfect for live music, outdoor recordings, or interviews with multiple speakers. One standout feature is the Real-Time Denoiser, which dramatically reduces background noise. During my tests, it completely removed the hum of a hotel air conditioner, a small but incredibly useful detail if you're recording in less than ideal locations. And best of all, setup is as simple as ever. Snap it on your device, launch the app, and start recording. Plus, Shure includes a compact carrying case to protect your mic while you're on the move. If you're a content creator, journalist, or just someone who values crisp, professional audio, the new Shure MV88 USB-C is definitely worth a look. High-quality sound, portable design, and effortless setup, all in one neat package. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.